Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself Rafaqat Ali. So grade 6 boys, welcome. So this is mathematics class. Today we are going to start the straight line graph. We are discussing the coordinates and the graphs. When you draw any line or the diagram on the graph paper, so it is called graph. It's very simple. In this lesson we are trying to learn about the straight line. Straight line, the line which have no bend. As its name, straight. Straight mean having no bend. The straight line can be positive slope. This red line is positive slope. The straight line can be negative slope. This blue line is the negative slope. And here the straight line can be parallel to x-axis. This blue line, y is equals to 4. This blue line is parallel to x-axis. This also parallel to x-axis. Because here y is equal to 4. Always y is equals to 4. Whatever the value of x, y is equals to 4. So that's why that will be positive 4. So that's why it will be above the x-axis, and below the x-axis negative. So all the values of x, for all the values of x, y is minus 3. So that's why this is parallel to y-axis. This is called zero slope but straight line. This parallel to y-axis and this parallel to y-axis but straight line. Vertical lines have equation x is equals to k. Horizontal lines have equation y is equals to h. K and h are any numbers are constant. The line y is equals to x and y is equals to minus x bisects the quadrant angles. Means with the value of x, y, x increase, y increase. With the value of x decrease, minus decrease, y decrease. So that's why for y is equals to x will be positive slope and y is equals to minus x will be negative slope. You can see here, for 1 it is 1, for minus 2 equal 2, for minus 3 equal 3, for minus 4 equal 4, and for minus 5 equal 5. In this way, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. When you join these points, that will be a straight line, no bend. Okay, next slide you can see the components of the straight line. The straight line graph, the equation of the straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. M is called gradient, this is the name, gradient, and c is the intercept. Intercept mean when value of x is 0, y will be equal to c. See, you can see here when x is 0, y is equals to c. So gradient is 2, y intercept is 1, and equation will be y is equals to 2x plus 1. And the second line, blue line, if the gradient is minus 1 over 2, means that if the equation is y is equals to minus 1 over 2 plus c, so that will be the line. Y intercept is minus 2, the equation is y is equals to minus 1 over 2x plus 1. No need to be worry about it, this is the concept only, and you need to draw the lines not for the solving this. This equation is for solving the equation, but right now in this exercise we are not going to solve, we need to draw only. So this is the concept basically I want to give you. The important slide is this one. These all the straight line having no bend is called the straight line. Keep in your mind, if there is no bend in the line, this line is called the straight line. If there is bend, you cannot say it is the straight line. Okay, now come to the exercise. Straight line exercise 16F. You can see here different points drawn and then joined by the line. This point shows that minus 1 minus 2, D shows that minus 2 minus 4, and C shows that minus 3 minus 6, and all the other points like this A, B, C, D, when you join these points you have the straight line, no bend in it. The point A, B, C, D and E are all the same straight line. Write down the coordinates of point A, B, C. You can write like this. If A coordinate is 1 and 2, and the B is, where is B? B is 3 and 6, like this. After that, F is another point on the same line. The X coordinate of F is 5. Write down the Y coordinate of F. Where is F? Let's see where is F. A, B, C, D, E. Where is the F? This is the point F. So if one coordinate is -1, the other is 2. The X coordinate of F is, I cannot see it is what, 1 or 5. I feel it is 5. If it is 5, so here the 5, and Y will be against it. You can go there. That will be 8, I think, if it is 5. Next, G, H, I, J, K, L and M are also points on this line. Fill the missing coordinates. G, 8, positive 8. Here no value, so you need to draw it first, then we can find out. Okay, now question number 2. A, B, C, D, E and F. Similar questions. Point A, B, C are all the same straight line. Write down the coordinates of point A, B, C, D and coordinates. You need to write A, what A is equal to 2, 2. B is 4, 3. C is 6, 4, like this. So the next all similar ones. So easy exercise. Let's solve it, and then if you feel any problem you can ask me on the WhatsApp. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.